Hi everyone, my name is Rita. I'm the lead trainer for Deja Vu Aesthetic Academy, Training Academy, and also KOL for Intraline, which is a product we're using today. This is Karen, our model, and we're just going to be showing you a full face rejuvenation, which Karen is only in her beginning 40s, so she doesn't really need a lot, but that's an ideal age for it. We're going to start off with the temple, which is the upper third of the face, and in that we'll include the temple, the forehead, and some of the periorbital region. Then we'll move on to the middle third, which are the cheeks and nasolabial, and then we'll go on to the lower third, which is the chin and the jawline and around the oral commissures. Okay, let's get started. So I've already put 4 little dots here, and the reason for that being is the temple is a very delicate area, dangerous area. So you need to find the temporal fossa or the temporal fusion line, which is just there. And I'm going to draw 1 centimetre up and across, so it's a little square. And we're going to be injecting in here, and we're going to be injecting down to the bone. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the needle in very gently. There you go, Karen. I'm going to aspirate. And I'm going to inject very slowly. At 0.2, 0.3, it depends how much depression there is there. And then I'm going to come out very slowly. If you come out slowly, there's less chance of bleeding because the skin forms around the needle. Then she doesn't need anything doing in the forehead. There's no depressions here. If you need to do the forehead, you need to be aware of the arteries there. So if we go from the mid-iris, open your eyes please, Karen, the mid-iris there. This one here is where the supraorbital artery comes in. And then if you, can you frown for me? Right, it's not much of a line there, so relax. I'm going to squeeze it in. And where you see this line here, that's where the supratrochlear artery comes in. So you really don't want to be injecting anywhere near those, because otherwise you could cause blindness. Then we're going to move on to the periorbital region. And again, this is a bit scary, and you need to make sure you've got a good candidate for this, because if you do a snap test and the skin doesn't go back, you know that the skin's too loose to do anything much with. So what I'm going to do is, if you can just look up with your eyes, I'm going to I'm following the iris down to there, and I'm going to go just underneath the bone. So again, I'm injecting down onto here. I'm going to aspirate. And I'm going to inject just 0.1 of a mil, very slowly. And again, take the needle out slowly. Okay, so I'm then going to press this in. I'm going to merge it up towards the medial eye. Okay, so as I've said, I'm pushing, we've already injected there for the tear trough, and we're pushing medially into the eye, and you need to make sure that you miss the infraorbital foramen there, and that is like a little hole where all the arteries and the nerves go through, so you need to make sure you're nowhere near that. Right, okay, we're ready now to go on to the middle third of the face.